You have to be ready to go high as looking at that. Hello. Alright, yeah, look, I'd rather eat grass than chase a dirty bike rider. I'm telling you, I'm not mad. If it was a doggy lady, yeah, maybe. Or Louis's brother trying to ride a push bike, I would roll over and laugh my head off. Because that would look occultish, funny, absolutely mannish. Oh, that was miserable. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Into deep water, jingle bells, I'm cooling off. Jingle bells, where's Schulwutzi? Schulwutzi, where are you? Hey Schulwutz, why don't you join me in deep water, huh? Come on, sing jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yeah. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, master, sing jingle bells. Master, sing jingle bells, please. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Yeah, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Vola, 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 mochi, oh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to sit on a black rock with feet in the water. Ah, master, you are not in the water, not at all today. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hurrah! Come on, Deazy. Come upstream. Watch me swim across. I'm the champion of champions when it comes to body surfing. You just saw me do a mighty jump. A mighty jump. Luigi, you're fantasizing. I'm sniffing. That's my strength. I sniff out gold, silver and cadenos. Anything of value is my forte. There you watch me stomp through the grass on big legs. Yeah. And there's my master. What's he doing? Drinking water. He's swimming in water is drinking water. How does that go together? You should drink out of the river. That will strengthen your ability to jump. Yeah. Be the two of you. I'll go this way, and Louis can go that way. Yeah. No, that's not a lane. Hey. Deazy, don't do that. No. Wait. No.
Wait. Get out of it.
No time for playing silly games. You can't do that, Deazy. I'm on here, wheezy beezy penguin. Wow, what have I found there? Wow, what are you doing, this? You're moving the grass? What for? You're trying to rip it out and look for rats. I can understand that. I caught a rat. You missed the action. It was so suddenly. You could hear it squeak still.
You could hear it squeak. Good boy, Louis.
Wow, that was fast.
Good boy, Louie, yay.
That was a real fasty. That is. Ha 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 ha. It's mine. Don't take it away,
done.
master. Don't take it away, master.
Well done, Louie.
It's all mine. It's all mine. Not yours. Alright. There we go. One less rat. You are the rat killer. The rat terminator. I'm the rat terminator. I've done it again and again. Wow.